How to download apps in laptop and PC Windows. There are various ways of downloading the apps. I'll tell you the easiest ways. The first way is to simply go to the official website of that app. See if it is available for downloading in desktop. For that, you'll have to open any browser of your choice. What you have to do is go to the specific website of that app. For example, I want to download the WhatsApp. In order to do that, you can see over here I have typed in whatsapp.com/download/desktop. You can go to the website of your choice. If the download option for Windows is available, you can simply click on it. Go ahead and download the application. You can use it in the Windows now. Likewise, you can also download it from the Microsoft Store. For that, open the Microsoft Store on your device. You can search for it if you do not find it. Now after the Microsoft Store is opened, what you have to do is search for the app that you would like to download. Click on the search bar. Search for the app. I'm just going to type in WhatsApp over here. Once you do that, press enter. Find the application that you would like to download and click on it. Keep in mind some of the applications will be free, but for some you'll have to pay. Now once you're in the interface of that app, you'll be able to see the details of that app. If you would like to download it, click on the option Get that you can see on the screen. Depending upon the internet speed, it might take a while to download the application. Simply exercise your patience. After that, the application will be downloaded. Like this, you can download apps in laptop and PC Windows. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.